Welcome. Today in front of me is Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just to activate the silent mode, you should click here once on this switcher near the mute, and you can see that we just successfully activated the silent mode. And just to turn it off, we should click here once again on the switcher. Also we can mute media in silent mode if you want. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just here open the notification panel, and here you'll see the silent mode icon. Just click once on this icon, and by this way we can activate the silent mode. Just to turn off silent mode, click once again on the silent icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.